Why, hello everyone, Zerishan here, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use 6 different commands in Bedrock and Java. Some of these commands are version exclusive though, so what I'll be doing is showing 2 commands that only work in Java, 2 commands that only work in Bedrock, and 2 commands that work in both versions. You ready? Let's get into it. First off, we're going to be doing the Java exclusive commands. Now this first command we're going to be doing is going to help you figure out what seed your world is. Basically, as you can see in the chat, the seed's number has popped up, so you could go into the world creator and copy the seed and basically get the same world. As you can see, there's a village, mangrove forest, we have acacia biome. Overall, it's a pretty good world, I think, if you're going to do a survival challenge. Next up, we have the recipe command. Now, I'm going to take one from myself because since I'm in creative, I'm not going to be able to give myself any because I automatically have them all. So let's just take my wooden axe recipe. With this wooden axe recipe gone, now I can now give myself this recipe, and as you can see in the top right hand corner, new recipe unlocked. Now we can use that pretty easily if I decide to craft some. Now let's go on to the Bedrock exclusive commands. Now, the Bedrock exclusive commands I'm going to show you are basically the same thing, and you'll see what I mean in just a moment. The first command I'm going to be showing you is the day lock command. This locks the day-night cycle, aka making it so it can be always day. Okay, as you can see, the sun is not moving when we turn it to true. And now let's turn that to false, and then we can see the sun moving again. Now if you look up, as you can see, the sun is moving right along. The next command is going to be the always day command. And this one is practically the same thing as the previous command. It can just make it so it's always day. And I don't see why there's 2 commands that do the same thing practically. Maybe I'm missing something. But as you can see, I try to change it. It doesn't stay as... I can't change it any. So now we're just going to turn it to false so we can have the sun moving again. And yeah, I'm confused on why there's 2 of this command, but who knows. Now let's get on to the commands that are in both versions. First off, we have the /message command, so I can message someone, or someone can message me pretty easily. But in Bedrock, this command is a little broken and not necessarily in the good way. You see, if I message myself, it's okay, but if I try to message someone else, the message will show up in chat. So if you're trying to have a private conversation with someone through Minecraft, that is very hard because your private message will show up in chat, which does not really work the best in my opinion. I hope they fix that in the future. Next up, we have the game rule command, which for this you could turn off different kinds of damage, such as fire damage or lightning damage and so much more. Fire tick as well, you can make it so it doesn't burn things. But for right now, let's just turn off freeze damage, and this would make it so I wouldn't take damage if I fell into powdered snow. Now we're gonna turn it back on. But yeah, you can turn it off and on. Now if we go to Bedrock, you can do basically the same thing and it'll have the same effects. All you gotta do is /game rule, and then whatever you're trying to turn off /on, and then do true or false for on/off. And it works out pretty well in that aspect. This one can have lots of good uses, and I would highly suggest if you're doing mostly creative and you're trying to say make a Minecraft map, I would highly suggest you do this in your world. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, for it would really help me out a lot. My current goal is 100 subscribers so I can unlock community posts. And with that, I shall see you guys all next time. Zerishan out!